दिल्ली की उस फूडी साइड से which loves to gorge on kebabs, चलिए अब चलते हैं दूसरी तरफ दिल्ली की, जो कि है high on fashion, art and culture. From their looks to their fitness, these people are spick and span. It's time for me to get inside the kitchen of one such celebrity friend of mine, the gorgeous and super fit Mandira Virk. And we're going to talk about and cook the food for the young professional of tomorrow, right?
Hi.
Hi. So I think what we'll do is first, so we're going to do some sweet potato wedges, and then a little bit of salad on the side. So here are the wedges. Now what we're going to do is we're going to toss them up. और बड़ा ही simple है. We'll just put a little bit of salt, a little bit of ajwain for the desi tadka, right? A little bit of sesame, a little bit of lemon juice, just a touch. There you go. Mandra, for the salad, raw turmeric use करेंगे हम dressing में.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. It's like in terms of properties, it's supposed to cool your body down. It's the best detox you could have, and when it's in season, you should definitely use it.
Okay.
मैं आपकी किचन में घूम रहा था और कुछ मैंने उठाया वहां से. So just to make it look a little colorful, these are good-looking
Wow.
potato wedges.
I want to eat.
Go ahead. It's nice and crispy.
Awesome.
Muy bien. Nice.
Awesome. Really awesome.